Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can import contacts from Gmail to our iPhone. So for that you need to open up your settings, but since I'm on Android, but I will be giving you out instructions using my voice. So just follow it carefully and you will be able to do it. So for that you need to open up your settings first, and after that you need to open up your contacts in your settings, and after that you need to open up your account there, and in the account just click on add account and then click on Google. Just add the Google Gmail account which you want the contacts to be imported from, and after that just back button and click on import sim contacts there, and then select Gmail, and after that you will be able to import all the Gmail contacts from that particular Gmail. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.